Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is very important for those people, those viewers who are content writer and want to earn some extra money like a side hustle just for writing articles or something like this for the company, for the brand, and they want to do some freelancing and earn money. So this video is especially for them, and if you are not a content writer then you can still watch this video, because here I'm going to tell you about some amazing skill that you can learn and use them and utilize them for earning money online. So you can use Upwork platform for earning money, okay, for doing freelance work. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can create an account on this, and then how you can work on this website. Okay, basically this is an freelancing website where you can upload your portfolio, and eventually you can also bid on users proposal, give them proposal. If your proposal gets selected, then you will be hired for that particular project. Okay, so first of all I will show you for the sign up, and there's one more thing. If when you are going to bid on any proposal, you might need some connect some credits that you will purchase from the Upwork. Okay, so I am a freelancer looking for work. Apply as a freelancer. Here you can create your account, or you can also continue with Google button to create an account. Okay, so I'm going with the Google account, and this way it will fetch all of my details in just a few seconds, and all of my data will be added on the Upwork with this my Gmail account. So here you can select your country. And after that you can just click on sign yes and create account, and that's how your account will be created here. So finally you can see that our account has been created, and now let's get started. So there are a few questions that we have to add. So I have some experience, okay, and then you can click on this next button, and you can also skip for now, it's up to you. Okay, after filling all of details, you have to fill your profile detail, like what is your preferences, what are your working hours, and how much you charge, and what kind of work you do, and all of these things you have to add. Okay, so here you can select any of these two options, like I would like to find opportunities myself, or I would like to package up my work for clients to buy. So we'll go with I would like to find opportunities myself. So this way you can uh, bid on other people's, or you can say clients proposals. Okay, so finally our profile is created, and here you can import your data from the LinkedIn account, and you can also upload your resume. So it's up to you. So after filling all of the details, you will start bidding on clients proposal, and you will be bidding on them, and if your proposal is selected, they will hire you and they will pay you. Okay, so that's all about Upwork, how you can create an account on this and how you can work on this. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.